Okay, so I've done quite a few squares now on my Endless Squares project, and I just thought I'd show you quickly how we add new squares to a growing blanket. So this is from the second square onwards of each row. I have joined in my main colour, and I'm picking up 20 stitches through under the slipped edge down the side of my second square. So we go all the way down, picking up 20, and then get under that. And then all we need to do is, once we get down to our corner, then carry on, pick up 20 along the top of the square of the previous row and carry on knitting that square. And we do that right across each row after our first square. So our first square is created, so this one here is created by first casting on, cable cast on 20, picking up 20 across the top of the previous row, and then knitting that square. So once we have that first square in place, we are then picking up 20 on the edge of that previous square and then across the top. So we're doing 2 lots of pickup for the squares that follow. And yeah, pretty easy really. So I will just pick up my stitches and away I go, creating another endless square. Now, after you've created quite a few, I have done how many across? 5 across. So just to be sure that I keep my amount of yarn correct and don't run out, I have been then adding columns to the end of each row, so that what that means is I'm going to do a different colour for each square because I'm doing columns rather than rows. So to start, you always start at the bottom, and then we're going to pick up 20 along that bottom edge of that bottom square, and then cast on 20 and knit that one, and then I will start at the next one up. So I'll cast on 20 on that side of that square, and then cast on 20 along the top of the square. So if you imagine, I've done that here, so I've cast on 20 along the side of this square and then 20 along the top of that square to do my second square in that column. And then I'm just changing out the contrast colour to match my row. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can mix up your colours as much as you want. So I would just say, do what feels right at the time.